I will show you how to make Satsumaimo Gohan or Japanese sweet potato rice. It is a popular rice dish to make at home when Satsumaimo is in season. Naturally sweet and somewhat sticky Satsumaimo and salted rice go really well together. Using a rice cooker, it is so easy to make.